Hey you, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create your account on Setmore. Right now we are here on the website and it's quite simple because they're saying that organize your business with 24/7 automated online booking, reminders, payment and more. So we fill in right here our email address, so we do that and then we do start free. Then right now they want our full name, so we want to fill in our name and then we create a nice password right there. And then we do sign up. Then right now they're asking us to connect with Google and sync your brand details. So we do connect Google account, select right here one of our Google accounts, then go to your phone and give their permission for your Google account. So we will do this right there. And then after that, we click here on continue, set up details manually. Because I just created an account on Setmore and now we need to set up everything right there. So let's do our brand name, Flux, that is also the name of my channel. And then right now we need to fill in our phone number right there. And then we do next. Then right now we need to tell them the time zone. I know I'm from the Netherlands, so we click right there on that. And then we want to have the currency euro. Now you can also search here for USD if you want to. That's also what you, I think what you want. So then you can click here on United States USD. Now let's do euro for now. So we click on euro, then we do finish. And boom, there it is. It were just 2 simple steps, but right now we just created our account. Our account is set and now we can start with working with the calendar right here. So this is how you set up your Setmore account. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.